With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So here the question says that define sliding filament theory of muscle contraction, right? So the correct answer is that according to this theory, the myosin, which is a thick filament, of muscle fibers slide past the actin, which is a thin filament, during muscle contraction, right? While the two groups of filaments, so these two groups of filaments remain at relatively constant length. So remain at relatively constant length, right? So this law was first introduced in the year 1954. So introduced in 1954, right? So this is the sliding filament theory of muscle contraction.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.